This is the instructional part of the workout. I recommend you go through the entire section of the instructions so you understand how to do the exercises properly, so you get the most benefit out of the workout, and so you can follow along with the workout. The first exercise we're going to go through is the two-handed kettlebell swing. What it is a vertical jump. It's just basic. If you ride a surfboard, if you do surfboard, snowboard, wakeboard, that's your natural stance, your natural jumping stance. I'm going to demo the exercise first and then break it down. You want the kettlebell out in front of you, about 6 inches. You want to reach for it, hinge back with your hips, load up your hamstrings and your glutes, hike it underneath you, and snap your hips. The kettlebell is weightless from my hips up. Arms are ropes, hands are hooks, so I'm not muscling the kettlebell up with my shoulders. Swing underneath you, park the kettlebell. To get your natural stance, you want to do just 4 or 5 jumps and then stick the last jump. Use your arms as momentum. This is my natural stance right here. From the side. This is it. We call it the hike pass. You want to take the kettlebell, hike it underneath you. You want to use that energy, more energy you have going underneath, more energy you have projecting out in front of you. The hips are your power point. So the more you can hinge your hips, push your power into the ground, it'll generate more power out. Take a deep breath out in front of you, hike it. Breathing is into the nose, into your belly, and then exhale sharply at the top. That's a two-handed kettlebell swing.